Hey, what's up creators? If you are using AI tool to create content, especially faceless videos or avatar style channels or Africa folk-based channels, you need to hear this. YouTube is rolling out a major monetization policy update on July 15th, 2025, and it's already making waves. There's a lot of confusion, so I'm here to break it all down. What the update really means, which content is at risk, how to protect your channel from getting demonetized. So with all that being said, let's dive in. Now, what is changing? First, let's be super clear. YouTube is not trying to ban AI generated content, but they are tightening the rules around mass-produced, repetitive and low-effort videos, and yes, that include many AI generated ones. Here's what YouTube said. To qualify for monetization, your channel must be featured original, authentic content. If your videos are mostly mass-produced or repetitive, you may lose access to monetization. So this is not an AI ban, it's a quality filter. Why this affects so many channels? Now, here is the real issue. AI tools today like Google Veo 3 or other voice and avatar generators make it easy to pop out dozens of videos in a day or even splits of minutes. But if your video all sounds the same, look the same, and lack editing or personality, YouTube consider that as low effort generated content. And channels like that are everywhere right now. Faceless, voice clone, text to video upload with zero editing, no transition, no voiceover, just raw output from the tool. YouTube is cracking down all that kind of content really hard, starting from July 15th, 2025. Now, this is the wake-up call, right? If that's what you have been doing, don't panic, but don't ignore this either. This is your chance to pivot and level up, because YouTube still wants you to succeed. They are not against AI content. They are against lazy, recycled content that adds no value to the viewers. Now, action steps. So how do you stay safe and keep growing? Here are 3 quick things you can do starting from today. 1. Use your own voice, even if it's not perfect. YouTube cannot dictate AI clone voices, and if your entire channel is built on those, that's a red flag. Your real voice gives you an edge. It builds trust and shows authenticity. Number 2, edit your videos. Don't upload straight from an AI tool. Add captures, transitions, background music, or B-rolls. These simple touches shows that effort was made, and that is what YouTube wants to see. Number 3, brand your content. Add your watermarks. Show your logo. Use a unique style to make your content recognizably yours. This protects you from copycats and helps YouTube see that your content is not mass-produced. So a recap of what we've talked about. AI content is allowed. Lazy, repetitive content is not. Add your voice, edit your videos, and make sure you are doing a proper branding for your videos. Don't rely on generic AI avatar and voices cloning. This update might seem scary, but it's actually a good thing. It's going to push creators to be better and help the real ones rise to the top. If this helped you, do me a favor. Please help me like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification.